Good morning, class. Today, we're going to discuss about our new lesson in arts. So, before we going to start our new class or our new discussion for today, let me ask you some question first. How's your day, class? Very good. Then, are you all okay? Very good. And are you ready for today's lesson? Very good. And now, please sit back and listen to your teacher. First, I'm gonna show you a picture. What is in this picture? It is a flamingo. And what have you been noticed in this picture? Yes, it is composed of a black and a white color only. Then next picture is it is also a flamingo. But what's the difference between the two? The first picture. Yes, it has this picture have a different color. So as you see there is there a green, yellow green, red, black, white and yellow. Next picture is what is this? This is a famous painting, namely the Starry Night. What have you been noticing in this picture? A star, a light, a human. Next, in this picture, different shapes, colors. Mm-hmm. Very good. And let me ask you some questions. What do you think makes this picture stands out? Anyone? Yes, colors. Yes, the shapes. And what if this picture have no colors? Do you think it finds attractive? Or it can make the picture stands out? Very good. So colors makes picture to stand out more. Yeah. Especially when the colors of a picture is more colorful or vivid. So, for example, guys, is the pictures that one of the tribe at the Dumanghas Hawas tribe. Do you see their artworks, their props, their costume they wear had a colorful colors. So that's the point that they can make them stands out or more noticeable or more attractive. Very good. Now, class, do you have any idea of what lesson we're going to tackle today? Anyone? Uh-huh. So, before we're going to proceed to our new lesson, let me show you our learning objective first. So, our expected learning objective for today is to identify the use of contrast in shapes, colors in different artworks. Then, show appreciation and enjoyment in using contrast to enhance an artistic expression. Lastly is to create an artwork applying contrast using various colors. So, do you have any idea what we're going to do today in our art class. Colors, shapes. Mm-hmm. Okay, class. So our lesson for today is about contrast. So in your own word, when you say contrast, what comes into your mind? Mm-hmm. So contrast class is the juxtaposition of a different elements or design in order to highlight their differences and or create visual interest or a focal point. So in other hand, contrast is making the picture stands out by creating a colorful or a unique design to make them stand out. For example, is I have there a pictures there. So as you see at the first picture, the flags have a color. They have a white, orange, yellow, and so many more colors. Then in the other side, have you seen there? It is only a black and white color. So which one do you have stands out more? The first one or the second one? Very good. The first one because it has a different colors. But class, remember take note that choosing colors is important in showing our artistic sides. Then the next picture is here. What is on the picture? Is an umbrella. Many umbrellas. So have you seen there that the other umbrellas had only a black color? But there's one umbrella that different from others. It has a yellow-green color. So guys, in order to make stands out your artwork, you need to be unique in choosing. Be different into others to stand out. That's and contrast is the reason or the thing we need to do if we need to make our art stands out. So here at the front, to make the elements or a design or to make highlight. It means we say highlight more on we focus on that designated point or point of view. So we can create for example like this picture. There's so many umbrellas but there's only one is different. So our focal point or our the focus of our eye is only for the different umbrella. So that makes this one umbrella stands out more than others. Then the next picture is this one. Have you seen there? It is only same picture. But have you seen there is there at their side we see a picture that not clearer more or not the color is not so bright here and there. But in the other side, have you seen there the difference between the color of a water? The first one is not so bright blue, but this one is so bright blue. So which do you think here is stands out more? Yes, this one because our eyes attractive on a more colorful color. But take note guys, there's a warm and a cool colors. We need to choose right in order to make our artwork stand out more or make difference in our artwork. Then also take note that the sizes of an object is matter also. For example, I have here a what shape is this? Square. Very good. And what color is this? Very good. Yellow. So I got here a yellow square. And on my other hand, I have here a circle. Yes, red circle. And now we were going to paste this small red circle into this big yellow square. Now I'm gonna put some glue. Then I will going to paste here at the center of a yellow square. There. So as you notice class, what takes of your eyes to focus on what? The yellow square or the red one? Yes, our eyes focus on the red one in the center. What if I will add some more shapes in this square? What is this? What color is this? Pink. Then what shape is this? Yes, very good. Triangle. Now, I'm going to add this pink triangle into this one. Okay? Now, I'm gonna put some glue. And I will going to paste this one at the top of the square. Now, what have you been noticed? Very good. You're not only focusing on one color and one shape. Instead, we focus on a different colors and shapes because we were looking through if which one gonna stands out more. And what if I'm going to add one more shapes and colors here? What color is this? Black. And what shape is this? Very good, circle. Now I'm gonna put some glue. Then I'm going to paste this one at the center of the triangle. Now, what have you been noticed? Mm-hmm. Very good. There's some other one on S. Notice different colors and shapes. But for me, I've been noticed here the big black circle at the center of a triangle. Now class, is any one of you notice the yellow square? No, because we were focusing on the each shape colors that I put here inside the square. So I make them contrast one at the center of this triangle. And take note, in making contrast, be wise to select the color you want to put it. Because there's some color that dark. Take note class that colors matters are shapes in our artwork. So you need to be wise to choose the color you're going to put in order to contrast or to make some sparable of your an artwork stands out. Now, you can volunteer me to make another one art? Yes? Now, you were going to cut this one and make a shape that you want. Is that clear? Very good. Now, I have here a heart shapes. Very good. Now, class, I'm going to put this one on these shapes and tell me the difference. Is that clear? Very good. Now, I'm going to put some glue and I'm going to paste this small circle in this center of a heart. What have you been noticed? Have you seen the small circle that I put on this heart? No. That's the one thing I said that be choose or be wise on choosing colors in putting or in adding into your artwork to make it stands out. What if I will going to cut this one into a circle one? Then I will going to put some glue and paste it into this heart. Now, tell me the difference. Now, it makes more stands out because we use a different colors to put into this heart. Is that clear, class? Very good. Now, you were going to now you were going to create an artwork showing contrast in shapes and colors. Now you may take your art materials and put into your desk. Okay, class? Is that clear? Ano ganing obrahon te, class? Very good. Create an artwork showing contrast in shapes and colors. Now, class, I will give you 10 minutes to make your artwork. Is that clear? Very good. Is there any questions? Or if you need some help, just try to raise your hands and I'll be the one to go around and check on your artwork. Is that clear? Very good. Now, you will start doing your artwork. Are you all done? Who among of you are not still done? Raise your hands. I've seen that you were all done. Then you were going to paste your artwork at the back of our classroom. And each one of you later we're going to share about the artwork that you made. For now, go to the back and paste it into the wall your artwork. Is that clear? Very good. And after that, here is your assignment. So the assignment is find the pictures or object at home that shows contrast in shapes and colors and bring them into the class and share. Is that clear? Is there any questions? For example, class, that your family pictures, or if you have some other art in your home that hang on the wall, even a small art or pictures that makes that shows contrast in shapes and colors. Then after that, for tomorrow, you are going to bring that one and you are going to share that on in front of the class and tell us that why it makes them stands out and what the shades and colors that give contrast in that art. Is that clear? Very good. Now, I will give you 2 minutes to copy your assignment. You may start now. Are you all done copying your assignments? Very good. Now, you may put back your assignment notebook inside your bag. Class, remember that contrast is the responsible one in making our art more stands out. You need to think outside the box in order to make your artwork more interesting and more attractive than others. Is that all clear, class? Very good. Now, you may now pick up pieces of a paper under your table. This one, oh. This table, how, oh. Pick up that. Okay? Now, that's all for today, class. And goodbye.